The key to making crispy potatoes without frying is simple if you follow this technique. This recipe is easy and also leaves no mess in the kitchen. Use russet or Yukon Gold potatoes only. Peel thoroughly. Cut into large 2 to 3 inch pieces. Bring 2 quarts of water to boil in a large pot. Add 1 teaspoon kosher salt and half a teaspoon baking soda and mix. The baking soda is the secret ingredient. Baking soda breaks down the pectin that holds cells together and gelatinizes surface starches, making the surface of the potatoes rough and increasing the surface area. This is key to get a nice crisp on the outside, while remaining soft and creamy inside. Boil the potatoes for 10 minutes until a knife passes through smoothly. Cooking the potatoes correctly is important. Please like, subscribe and comment below, so that I can make more content. Tell me what you would like to see me cook next and I will try. Add 2 to 3 cloves of chopped garlic, salt, pepper and chili flakes to the drained potatoes. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and 1 tablespoon ghee. If you don't have ghee, then you can add butter, duck or beef fat, but ghee adds a unique flavor. Shake the bowl vigorously. This is the second important secret. Shaking and lightly mixing adds a layer of mashed potato-like paste to the surface of the potatoes. This layer will turn crisp when baked or roasted. Use convection baking at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Then turn the potatoes over and bake again for 30 more minutes. The potatoes should be brown and ultra crispy. Top with chopped herbs. I used rosemary and parsley, and serve warm. These are the best crispy potatoes that I have ever made without frying. Crispy on the outside but soft and creamy inside.